Hello students, good afternoon all of you. I hope you all are fine and safe. I think you all are doing your online work battery. So students, before starting our sessions, let's check here the today's quote. So what is today's quote? Now let's see here the today's quote. So students, let's see here, the education is not the learning of fact but the training of the mind to think. What? Education is not the learning of fact but the training of the mind to think. It means what? Education is not only learning things of fact but the training. Which training we are taking? The education is a training of what? It's a training of the mind to think. Okay, mind to think means what? We got something new idea. Okay, mind to think, our mind is thinking anew. Okay, we are learning new, so our mind is our thinking new things. Understood? So this quote is given by a great or famous scientist is Albert Einstein. Got my points? Now students, let's see here what we have done in last session. I hope you all are remember. So what we have done in last session. So students, we have done in last sessions revision of multiplications, exploring multiplications, exercise number 3, question number 1. Build the 12 times table using this idea. Yesterday we have done, students, what? Build the 12 times number using this idea. Then exercise number 3, then exploring a multiplication, and then chapter number 3, multiplication. Got my points? So now let's see what we are going to learn today. So now let's see here, today we are going to learn, first of all, revision of previous lecture, means the last lecture. Exercise number 3, question number 1, build the 12 times table. So again we are students, today we are going to learn again these sessions. Got my point, all students? So now we move on second topic. Second topic means second question. Second question is what here for us? Second question is for multiply by the breaking up factor. Means a fact we are here break the numbers. What? We are here break the numbers, or numbers means which number? Factors. We are here break the factors and then multiply and solve the multiplication. Got my points? So now today we are going to learn question number 2, multiply by breaking up factors, and then new topic is exploring multiplication further. What? We have to explore something. Okay, you know what is the meaning of explore? We have to explore in something. We have explore a digit, number, factors. Got my points? Further. So now students, first of all we are going to learn what? Again I am telling you, today we are going to learn revision of previous lectures, means revision. Which revision? But exercise number 3. Okay, in chapter number 3, exercise number 3, question number 1, building the 12 tables. What? Building the 12 times table. Yesterday we have already we have done this topic. Then question number 2. Question number 2 is what, all students? Question number 2 is multiply by breaking up factor. Was multiply by breaking up factor. Then after exploring multiplication, what? Exploring multiplication further. Understood, all students? So students, what is our new topic? Exploring multiplication further. So now students, we starting here the yesterday's sessions, means the previous lecture, what we have done in a previous lecture. So students, we starting the previous lectures revision. So now today, yesterday, but today again we are do the revision of yesterday's lectures. So students, today we are start these sessions. 1 multiply by 12. 12 ones are 12. Okay, so 1 12 means what? 1 multiplied by 12. So 1 multiplied by 10 is equal to 1 10 10. So I am wrote here at 10. Then plus multiply plus and then bracket, and 1 multiplied by 2. 1 2 2. So this 1 10 10 and this 1 2 2. So 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2. How many all students? 12. 12. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Is equal to 12. Then 2. 2 multiplied by 12. 2 multiplied by 12. 2 multiplied by 12 is equal to, now we are finding. So 2 12s are, sorry, 12 2s are 24. 12 2s are 24. For but we are by the exploring. Build the 12 times table. 2 20s are means 22s are. Okay, sorry, but that time 2 10s are not a 20. 2 10s are how many? 20. Understood? 2 20s are 20. Then after 2 2s are how many? 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. So 20 plus 4. 20 plus 4. So how many all students? 24. Got my point all students? Again I am repeating you. 2 12s are, okay, then is equal to, then bracket 2 multiplied by 10. 2 multiplied by 10 means 2 10s are this. 2 12s are and 2 10s are. 2 10s are 20 and 2 2s are. 2 2s are. So how many? 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4 is equal to 20 plus 4. So is equal to how many? 24. Understood? So now 12 2s are 24 or 2 12s are 24. Both side is correct. See here. 2 12s are is equal to 24 and 12 2s are. So how many students? 24. Understood? Here 12 ones are 12, 1 12s are 12, and here 12 2s are 24 or 12 2 12s are 24. Then after third, 3 multiplied by 12 is equal to bracket 3 multiply 10. Then bracket. So 10 3s are 30. 10 3s are 30. Then after plus 3 2s are 6. So here 30 plus 6. 3 10s are 13 plus 3 2s are 6. 3 10s are 30 plus 3 2s are 6. So 30 plus 6. How many? 36. Got my points? So 12 3s are 36 and 3 12s are 36. Got my point all students? Or yesterday we have done till to 7, but today we are going to 8 to 10. So first of all, what we have done? 1 2 and 3. So now 4 5 6 and 7. So 4 multiplied by 10 is equal to 4 into 10. 4 10s are 14. 4 10s are 14. Then after 4 multiplied by 2. 4 multiplied by 2. So how many? 8. 4 2s are 8. So 14 plus 8. 14 plus 8. So how many all students? 48. How many all students? 48. Then after 5. 5 multiplied by 10. 5 multiplied by 10. So 16. Here 4 multiplied by 12. So 48. And here 5 multiplied by 12. So 5 12s are 12 5s are 16. Got my points? But how can it possible? How can we build 5 multiplied by 10? So 5 10s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. 15 plus 10 16. 5 10s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. 16. 15 plus 10 16. Got my point? So 12 5s are 16 or 5 12s are 16. Then after 6 12s are 72. 12 6s are 72. Then further 6 multiplied by 10. 6 10s are 16. How many students? 6 10s are 16 plus 6 2s are. 6 2s are, you know very well. Okay, 6 2s are 12. 16 plus 12. 16 plus 12. So how can it possible? 16 plus this 10. 17. 17 plus this 2. 72. 60 plus 12 is equal to how many? 60 plus 12 is equal to 72. Understood? Then after 7 multiplied by 12. 7 multiplied by 12. So how many all students? 72. Then further 7 multiplied by 12. 7 multiplied by 12 is equal to 84. 7 12s are 84 and 12 7s are 84. 7 multiplied by 10. So 17, 7 tens are 17 plus 7 multiplied by 2. 7 twos are 14. So 7 twos are 40 is equal to how many? 7 twos are 14 is equal to how many all students? 7 twos are 40 is equal to 7 twos are 40 is equal to 17 plus 10, 18, 18 plus this 4, 84. So answer is what? 7 12s are 84 and 12 sevens are 84. Understood? Got my point all students? I hope you all are understood the previous lecture what we have done. Okay, in this till 1 to 7 yesterday we have done, and then now we are move on 8 to 10. How many? 8 to 10. We have left only these 3 blanks of exercise number. Which exercise? Exercise number 3rd, question number 1. So students, let's start here these all blanks. So 8 multiplied by 12. 8 multiplied by 12. So how many all students? 8 multiplied by 12. 8 12s are 12 8s are how many? 8 12s are 12 8s are 96. How can it possible? 8 10s are 18. 10 8s are 18, or 8 10s are this 18. So how can we write? 8 10s are 18 plus 10 8s are 18. Then 8 2s are, or 2 8s are 8 2s are 16 and 2 8s are 16. 18 plus 10 19, 19 plus this 6 18 plus 10 19, 19 plus this 6, so 96. Got my point all students? 18 plus 16, so how many? 19 6. Understood all students? Then further 9. Stood now 9 12s are 12 9s are 108. 12 9s are, or 9 8s are 108. Got my point all students? So step by step we are going to do this. 9 multiplied by 10. 9 multiplied by 10, so how many? 19 plus 9 multiplied by 10 is equal to 19. Then after 9 multiplied by 2. 2 9s are, 9 2s are how many all students? 9 2s are 18, or 2 9s are 18. So answer is what? 18. 9 2s are 18, or 2 9s are 18. And then 9 multiplied by 10. So 19, or 10 multiplied by 9. So 19. Understood all students? So 19 plus this 10. 19 plus 10, so 100. 100 plus this 8, so 108. So answer is what? 12 9s are 108 and 9 12s are 108. Understood all students? Now last blanks. 10 multiplied by 12. 10 12s are, or 12 10s are. So 10 10s are how many? 100. 10 10s are 100. Okay, 10 10s are 100. It's like that. So we can write 10 10s are is equal to 100. Then after 10 2s are. 10 2s are how many students? 20. 2 10s are 20. 2 20s are 20, or 10 2s are 10 2s are 20, or 2 10s are 20. So 100 plus 20. So how many? 100 plus 20, so 120. 120. But when or where? Okay, so 10 12s are 120 and 12 10s are 10 12s are. See here, 10 12s are 120 and 12 10s are. First of all, we a straight side and then opposite side. 10 12s are 120 and 12 10s are 120. Understood all students? This is your exercise number 3rd, question number 1 is here done. I hope you all are understood betterly. So now I am going to move on further exercise. Okay, but we starting before exercise question number 2 now. Okay, exercise number 3rd, but we started before question number 2. Let's see what is the question. Okay, what is the question? Multiply breaking up of factors. What? Multiply breaking up factors. Exercise number 3rd, question number 2. Multiply breaking. What is the meaning of breaking? We have break a digit. Okay, already we know, we are studied in 3rd standard, we are learning 3rd standard, but here your digit are increase. Okay, so that's why multiply breaking up a factor. Is this your question number 2? Okay, so now students, one by one we are going to learn question number 1. Okay, so exercise number third a, question number 2, multiply breaking up a factors. Got my point, all students? So then we start in here the question number 1. Okay, again I am repeating you exercise number third a, question number we have done, and then further we start the question number 2. Question number 2 is what, all students? Multiply by breaking up factors. Multiply by breaking up factor in question number 1. 6 multiply by 8. 6 8 is a okay. Question is what? 6 and 8. 6 8 is a how many? 48. 6 x is a 48, or x is a 48. But how can it possible? Only we know the tables, because of you have learned the tables. That's why I am telling you again and again, students, you must be remember the table, you must be learn the table. Okay, so this without knowing the table you don't do in the multiplication chapter or division. Okay, without tables you don't do anything in maths. So you must have to learn this all tables 1 to 20. How many tables we are going to learn? 1 to 20. Okay, you must be learn at your home, all students. So question number 1 is 6 multiplied by 8 is equal to 48. So 6 8 or 8 6 how many? See here, I am wrote in box. Okay, 6 8 is how many? 48, or 8 6 is 48. Got my points, all students? This is your question number. For as like that we are solving one by one all question. Now move on the question number B. Question number B is what? Here question number B is what? Question number B is 7 multiplied by 9. It means 7 9s are. 7 9s are how many, all students? 7 9s are how many, all students? 7 9s are. 7 9s are, we do first of all, but we know the table. If we know the table, so we can able to give an answer. Okay, so I hope you all are know 7 9s are 63, or 9 7s are 63. Understood? So 7 9s are 63, or 3 means what? But first of all we write the 3 and then 6 9s are 63. As like that we write the first 3 and then we write the 6. As like that 6 9s are 63. Understood? 6 9s are 63. Got my point, all students? Okay, so now before we starting question number C, again we are repeating here. I am repeating here question number 1. 6 8 is 48. So here we solve by solving the question by the using of table. Break the number. 6 8 is 48. 6 8 is how many? 48. Understood, all students? And then now question number B. 7 multiplied by 9. So 7 9s are 63. 7 9s are 63. Understood, all students? 7 9s are how many? 63. Got my point, all students? Now we move on question number C. So let's start solve the question number C. Question number C is what? Question number C is as like that. Question number C is 1 and 5, means 15 multiplied by 5. So these both number, these both factors we are breaking and we write the answer. So first of all, how can we solve the 1 5 and 5? So 15 multiplied by 5. So 5 5s are how many, all students? We all know 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25 is equal to 25. So I am brought here the 5 and here 2. Understood, all students? 5 here and 2. 5 5s are 25. So as a carry form 2 and downside 5. 5 5s are 25. So again I am repeating you 5. We write the here about the 5 because of, okay, as like we write as like that, and because of this 2 digits, so 5 here and 2 as a form of carry. So students, we write a 2 as like this form, okay, but which form? In carry forward, carry form. Then after 5 5 is 25 is done, 5 here and 2. Then after here, first of all 5 multiplied by this 5 and 5 multiplied by this one. First of all 5 multiplied by 5 and 5 multiplied by this one. So 5 ones are 5 ones are how many all students? 5. 5 ones are 5 plus carry count 2. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 how many all students? 7. 5 plus 2 how many? 7. So 15 multiplied by 5 means 15 5s are 75. Okay, how can a 7 come is here? 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 2 this carry and 7. And how can it come to 5 5s are 25? So 5 here and 2 carry. Understood? That's why here answer is what? 75. 5 5s are 25 and then after 1 5s are 5 and then further 15 5s are 75. Got my point all students? Now as like same question number D. Understood? Question number D is as like same 1 3 13 multiplied by 4 means 34s are. We don't know answer. How can we solve? Only we know the table numbers 4. We know the only students only table we know the 1 to 10, but we don't know the table number 13. So how can we do the sum? So we can we solve the sum as like that, one by one all factors. 13 multiplied by 4. The 13 4s are. How can we do 13 4s are? 4 3s are. See here, 4 3s are. How many 4 3s are? 12. 4 3s are 12. So 4 and 3. 4 3s are 12. So 2 here and 1 this carry. 4 here and 1 in carry form. Understood all students? 4 here and 1 in carry form. That's why students, how can we write? We write as like that 3 multiplied by 4 means 3 4s are. So 2 here and 1 carry as a form of the carry. Understood? As a form of the carry. Then after further 4 1s are. See here, I am wrote here 1 4s are 4. First of all 4 3s are 12. 2 here and 1 carry. Then after 1 4s are. 1 4s are how many? 4. 1 4 1s are or 1 4s are, both are same. So 1 4s are how many? 3 4s are and 1 4s are. 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 4 1s are 4. So 4 1s are 4 plus count this carry. So how many? 5. 4 1s are 4 plus this one. So 5. 4 plus 1. How 4 plus 1? So how many all students? 5. So answer is what? 13 multiplied by 4 is equal to 52. 13 4s are 52. How many? 13 4s are 52. Step by step, see here. First of all 4 3s are 12. 1 4s are 4 and 34s are 52. 13 4s are 52. Got my point all students? Now again I am explaining you question number C. Which question? Question number C. Question number C. 15 1 5 15 multiplied by 5 means 15 5s are how many? We don't know. Only so how can we solve? 5 5s are, see here I am wrote here 5 multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. So 5 here and 2 is a form of the carry. So we can write as like that 25. 5 here and 2 as a form of carry. Then for the 5 5s are 25 is done. Now next step, 1 5s are or 5 1s are. So 1 5s are is equal to 5. 1 5s are how many all students? 5. So 1 5s are 5 and count these 2 carry as a form of carry. So 5, this 5 and these 2. 5 plus 2 how many all students? 7. So we write as like that 7. So answer is what come? 55 are 75. Okay, got my point all students? Again I am repeating you. 5 5s are 25. 1 5s are 5 and 15 5s are 17 5. Understood all students? Is this your question number C? Is done. Okay, we have to write in your fair book. This question number A, B, C and D. Question number 2, in question number A, B, C or D, you have a write in your fair book. Where you are writing, all students? In your fair book. Again, and I am repeating you all students, question number B. How can we do this all sum? Okay, so question number C is 1 5 means, sorry, 1 5 not, but 15 5 15 5 so 5 5 25. See here, first step, 5 5 25. This 5 and this 5 multiply by each other, so 5 5 25. 5 here and 2 here. So understood all students? So 2 here as a form of carry, we write there as a form of carry, and 5 here as the downside, and then this 5 multiply by this one. Okay, so 5 ones are, or 1 5 are how many? 5. Okay, 1 5 here. What I am writing? 5 5 are 25. 5 here and 2 form of carry, and then 5 plus, sorry, 5 multiplied by 1. 5 ones are 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So 15 5 are 75 is your answer. Got my point, all students? 5 5 are 25, 1 5 are 5, and 15 5 are 75. Again and again I am repeating you 3 to 4 times, because of you have to understand this question, or you have to learn this question. Got my point, all students? Now question number B. Again and I am repeating you question number D. Question number D is what? 1 3 13 multiplied by 4. 13 multiplied by 4 is how many, all students? 13 multiplied by 4 is equal to, we don't know answer, we don't know the table number of 13, so we break the number and one by one break the factors and we solve the question. Okay, so 3 4s are these 3 and these 4 multiply by with each other. 3 4s are how many? 12, or 4 3s are 12. So here what I am wrote here, 4 3s are 12, or 3 4s are 12. Got my point, all students? So these 3 and 4 multiply by each other, so 2 here and 1 carry, 12. How can we write the 12, all students? 2 here and 1 form as a form of the carry. Understood all students? Then after 1 4s are 4, and count this 1 carry. What? 1 4s are 4 1s are 1 4s are 4, or 4 1s are 4, and then 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 5. So answer is what? 5 plus 2. So 13 4s are 52. 13 4s are how many, all students? 52. First of all, 4th is a 12, 1 4s are 4, then 13 4s are 52. Got my point? Again I am repeating you, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12. Both side is correct. 3 4s are 12 and 4 3s are 12. Then after 1 4s are 4 and 4 1s are 4. Then after 13 4s are 4, 13 4s are 52 and 4 30s are 52. Understood, all students? Now is this your question number 1? Sorry, question number 2 is done here. Question now in exercise number 3rd A, which first question is what? Build the 12 times table. Understood? And question number 2 is what? Factors, breaking up of factors. And question and last here exercise number 3rd A is a finish. Okay, so now further starting a new exercise 3rd B. Before, let's check here the new topic. Okay, understood? What is a new topic? Exploring multiplication. Today's only we are see this topic. Today we are see this topic. What is our new topic? Exploring a multiplication. Exploring multiplication further. What? Exploring multiplication further. Okay, so I am explaining you here, students. So multiply by doubling. Okay, what is a new topic? Exploring multiplication further. But how can we do this sum? All multiplying by doubling. What? Multiplying by doubling. If you know the 4 times tables, you can work out the 8 times table by a doubling. It means what? If you know. What if you know? If you know the 4 times table, it means the table number 4 we know, so you can work out the 8 times table by doubling. Understood, all students? How can is this possible? All things I am telling you tomorrow, but now briefly, now shortly I am telling you here. If we know the table number 4, so work out 8 tables by doubling. Okay, here I am know the table number 4. 7 4s are how many? 23, and here 7 8s are. So here 4, and what I am do here the doubles. So 4 plus 4 8. Okay, and 23, and then what I am adding here? Double numbers. Understood? Is this your multiply by doubling? Got my points? Now if you know the 8 tables, you can easily multiply by 16, as a double of 8 is 16. How can we know the students? If we know the table number 8, you can easily multiply by 16, as the double of 8 is 16. 1 8 is 8. So 160 is 16. Understood, all students? 2 8 is 16. So 260 is 32. We have to do here the double numbers plus with other numbers. Got my point, all students? Yes. Tomorrow again I am explaining you multiply by doubling and how can we do, and its example. Understood, all students? I hope you all are understood, and you have to do exercise number 3rd, question number 1 and 2 in your fair book. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you so much.